Hello. So our today's question is a uniform thin rod of length L. Uniform rod AB of length L has a linear mass density mu of x A plus bx by L. Linear mass density is given to us, that is A plus bx by L, where x is measured from A. If the center of mass of the rod lies at 7 by 12 L from A, that is the distance from X, then A and B are related. So we have to find the relation between A and B. Here, the center of mass of the rod is given, which is the X coordinate of the center of mass. So we would consider only the X coordinate of the center of mass. So center of mass of rod of length L, so its x coordinate is xcm is equals to 0 to L, that is the length of the rod, mu x in x dx divided by 0 to L mu x dx, and the xcm is given to us in the question, that is 7 by 12 L. So just by substituting value 0 to L, mu of x is A plus bx by L. This whole is multiplied by x dx divided by limit from 0 to L A plus bx by L dx. So by integrating both numerator and denominator, so how we will integrate? First of all, we have to multiply this x with this. So we would get ax plus bx square by L, and this we have to integrate this term. So if we integrate this term, we would get ax square by 2 plus bx cube by 3L, and the limit, that is 0 to L. If we put limit, we would get al square by 2 plus bl cube by 3L. This L and this L will be cancelled, and it would be L square by 3. So I am writing directly here. If we integrate the both the numerator and denominator, it would be al square by 2 plus bl square by 3 divided by, and here the simple integration, that is al plus bl by 2. Is it okay with this integration? And xcm from the question is given as 7 by 12 L. So just by solving this equation, we would get the relation between A and B. So I am solving this equation, that is 7 by 12 is equals to al square by 2 plus bl square by 3 divided by al plus bl by 2, and here it is L. So solving this equation, 7 by 12 L is equals to, taking LCM in the numerator, that is 3al square plus 2bl square divided by 6, and this divided by 2al plus bl by 2. This would be cancelled and it would be 3. Further solving this equation, that is 7 by 12 L is equals to 3al 3al square plus 2bl square divided by this 3 multiplied by this term, that would be 6al plus 3bl. If we take common 3l from this denominator, then if we take 3l common from this denominator, that would be multiplied by this term, that is 3l 3al square plus 2b l square by, यहाँ पे हमने क्या कॉमन लिया 3l, so it would be 2a plus 3l is taken as common, so here would be b. This 3 would be cancelled at 4 and this l will become 7l square by 4, and we can take common from l square from the above, that is our numerator. So l square can be taken as common, that is 3a plus 2b divided by 2a plus b. L square and L square get cancelled, and 7 by 4 3a plus 2b by 2a plus b. Cross multiplying it, we get 14a plus 7b is equals to 12a plus 8b. Just by solving RHS and LHS, we would get 2a is equals to b. This is the relation between a and b. So which option is correct? Which option is correct? Yeah, our value is 2a is equals to b. 2a is equals to b. That means option A is correct. 2a is equals to b is the right answer for this question.